In this tip of the day, let's take a look at combining machining operations to manually drive the tool anywhere that we'd like. Now in this example, we're going to be using a 2-inch diameter slot cutter to machine this little notch in the side of the part here. Now these two blue circles that you see, those represent the start and the end location of our cut. In fact, we really should create a line here to represent that. So let's go to our line tool. I'm going to snap the center of that arc, and let's move over to the right and snap the center of that arc. So that line, that's going to represent the start and the end of our tool path. So let's begin by heading over to the Command Manager. Let's start with just a simple cut chain 2D. I'm going to left-hand click the line, left-hand click the direction, then right-hand click. I already have the tool selected. I'm going to say the speeds and feeds look fine. Let's click next on that. Now one thing that we don't want to have happen is we don't want the tool to wrap it up when we're done with this cut. So what you want to do is make sure that your rapid Z-plane is equal to your final depth. All right, that will keep the tool down. Let's click next on that. Next, and there we go. So let's preview this and see what we have so far. So preview toolpaths. There's our slot cutter. It moves in, and that looks great. But what do we need to do now? We need to get that tool out of there safely and wrap it back up. Well, we can easily do that by using the Move to Position command. The Move to Position command will allow you to take the previous tool and wrap it or feed that anywhere that you'd like. So let's use Move to Position. We're going to rapid. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to select Endpoint, and that way I can just easily snap the end of that line as the location for that rapid move. Let's right-click and preview our toolpath now. So now we're feeding in, and we're performing a rapid move out. And then one last thing we need to do now is take that tool and wrap it up. So we'll do the same thing. Back to Move Position. We're going to rapid, but this time I'm going to rapid incrementally from the last position. So increment, we're going to incrementally move in Z 1.5 inches. We'll click OK. And then OneCNC wants us to digitize where we want to be incremental from. Well, I want to be incremental from the end of the line there. So I'm just going to left click. And when we're done, we can click OK and then right click to finish. Very good. All right, let's finish up the video now just by right clicking, preview toolpaths. There's our feed move in, rapid move out, and a safe rapid move back up again. All right, that's it for this tip of the day. A very powerful feature of OneCNC is the ability to combine machining operations. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.